I am happy to announce that I have successfully built one my mega project. I could say that I will add a lots of features. It the project I have built related around the React, MongoDB, Express, and Node.js, which is the money stack development. Okay, so this is the home page that I have built. It I have also added the Tailwind CSS for the styling. So from my point of view, it quite looks quite good. So I have added some cards container, and also I have added some header and footer. So we can also search for the any individual listing. So that I have the lots of listing on the site. Like it is related to showing all of the developer listing sites developer listings tools, like you can use Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text Editor, Stack Overflow. So okay, let's search the Visual Studio Code. For the searching item, I have used the uh, use memo, which will render every time input value is changed, and also I have used the use state, use context API. And so let's search for Visual Studio Code. So it's quite fast, but compared to UG state is only render the components when there is a change in state. So I have learned that things. Okay, so let's search for the stack overflow lead code. Okay, so one of our favorite tools is lead code. You can see, okay, so there is the error which I am offer. I will fix that error. So okay, so is the founder, it's I have added the founder as a lead for company. So maybe, and also which technology, which tech stack is used the Python, Django, and React to the front end and back end. Okay, so it is released in the 2015. And also you can know a little bit about the, so, and also you can add the comments. So okay, so maybe you are wondering why there is no edit and delete button. I have only give the access to those person who are the owner of that tool. So only those person can edit and delete the listing. Okay, so you can see the lots of all tools. Okay, so also you can add the new listing. For you have to first, I have added some middleware. First you have to be log in on our site, then only you can add the new listing on our site also. Okay, so you can also contact us for any query. Okay, so let's add the one query. Maybe if we can check whether it is working or not. Okay, so okay, so I add the my name. Okay, so it is just a dummy listing, so it is not, the tool is quite good. Okay, so I have added the some. Okay, so yeah, it's for the showing the message, class message. I have added the Justify library, which is quite good. Okay, so I have already logged in. So if I am the real owner of that website, I can able to edit. But if I'm not a real owner, I cannot able to edit. Okay, so edit and delete. Okay, so you can see I have, okay, so in this second I am the not a owner of this the listing. That's why I am not able to edit. Okay, so let's log out and log into the another user, which I might user. So okay, I have also, it's also all of the functionality working for the password, login, and sign up. Okay, so okay, so I think I'm the owner of from this username. Okay, so you can see now the listing can have the access of edit and delete listing. Okay, so that is nice. I think I forgot whether is it, no, I don't. So I forgot whether is it. Okay, so let's log out it and log in with another username. Okay, so let's say we are the not correct username and password, you will get the error. Okay, so the error is not showing currently. I am not implementing the post error on the sign in site, which I will implement later on. Okay, so I don't think is it the DPS or okay, so let's check whether I am the owner of this listing. Okay, so so friends, I will for the showing the demo, I will add some new listing. I have not add the Figma, which is the UI and UX design, which would be useful for the developer. So I will add the Figma design. Okay, so for showing this, first I will try to add the blank listing. It will not possible. I have both add the front end and back end logic to handle the some errors. For the form, I have used the React form, which is quite good from my point of view. Okay, so add the Figma. Okay, so is the, developer of the Figma. Uh, we can say founder or a developer, founder or company owner, which is the Dylan Fed. Okay, so I have also copied the. At the moment, I can only accept the logo in URL form. I can able to accept the in the image format, but it will cause too much slowness on our website. Like it will for storing the image and processing it will we have to use another tool and it will take another 1 to 2 seconds to solar our website fasterness. Okay, so that's why maybe in the future if I have better knowledge about that I could on future just moment I only can able to accept the URL in the image format. Also in the URL I have also add the default image which I can show you later. Okay, so company URL is yes Figma.com. And okay, so one line I have also copied the one liner which is from the internet. Okay, so I have also copy the this is from I have copy from the Wikipedia. Okay, so the detailed description and the which tag is used by the Figma. It is used based on the C++ and assembly. Okay, okay. All right. Okay, so we can add. Okay, successfully I can able to add the new listing. You can see it is working here and also okay, so I will try to give you the sample whether my tool is working or not. Okay, so I just want to just deliver this Jira which I have tried multiple times. Okay, so for whether edit button is working or not, I just try to. Okay, so it is loading quickly. Okay, so we can see the delete button is working functionally, fully functionally. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.